Hello friends, welcome to lesson number 109. The topic is again one of those that we had finished earlier, parts 1 and 2. This is part 3 of jobs and occupations, the different work that people do. So, we will learn new signs for different professions now. Principal, P and head. Principal. Director, D and head. Director. Lecturer or professor. Lecturer or professor. Coach, see and teach, person and work. Coach. Therapist, person such as a doctor who visits homes to explain and help. Therapist. Weaver, cloth and weaving. Weaver. Accountant, A and accounts. Accountant. Pilot, one who flies an airplane. Pilot. Sailor, one who mans a ship. Sailor. Goldsmith, a person who works with gold. Goldsmith. Friends, let's now share and practice the signs for various jobs and occupations that we had learnt in lessons 28, 38 and lesson number 109. So let's practice the 30 signs together now. Doctor, teacher, lawyer, postman, driver, engineer, mechanic, policeman, farmer, security guard, person who acts in films, film actor, person who dances, dancer, singer, painting and person makes it a painter, mason, person who cleans, maid or domestic help, Person who cuts hair, barber. Person who takes care of flowers and gardener. Shopkeeper, person who sells things in a shop. Person who cooks food, chef. Principal, director. Lecturer or professor. Coach. Therapist. Weaver. Accountant. Pilot. Sailor. Goldsmith. Keep up with your practice times every now and then. Plan clearly your practice times. Test yourself, communicate, and keep learning and improving. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.